You may want to use a template from Capcut or edit your used template, but it's not showing on your app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Capcut template not showing. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Capcut app right here. And as you open it, for example, you click on this templates tab right on this edit page, and you don't see any templates that you have used before. So the first thing that I can suggest to you is to click on this Me section or tab at the bottom right hand corner and try to log in with your TikTok, Facebook, or Apple ID and see if your templates, your previous templates that you have used will show from this edit page. Now, if you try that and it doesn't work, the next thing that you can do is to go to the Settings app, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and let's find the Capcut app from here. Click on it and click on Offload app and Offload app once again. So offloading this app will clear the cache and hopefully reset some things and restore the templates and make it show from the app. If that does not work, you can also go to your app store right here and let's check if our Capcut app is up to date. So just search for Capcut, click on it, and see if it shows update right here. That means that your Capcut is currently outdated. So just tap on the update option. However, if it says open, that means that your Capcut is currently up to date. So those are basically the steps that you can do if your Capcut templates are not showing. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.